Make a website for a well drilling contractor. Visit mightysites.com. It's only $9 a month and it has all types of small business templates, makes it really easy to create a website for your well drilling contractor business. So, first thing you do, you just look for well drilling contractor. So, here it is. And then I just type in my business name. So, I'll just put Keegan's Well Drilling. And then you put in your location. So, I'll just put Denver, Colorado. And then type of business, it's usually classified as a service business. You're drilling a well for somebody. So then I click continue. And what makes Mighty Sites really nice is that it's going to automatically generate a template for me. So now for me, from here, all I need to do is basically make simple edits to the website template and make it good to go. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want to add some hero text here. I'm just going to go in here and say, I'm going to say professional well drilling contractor, and then right below it for a subtitle I'm going to say professional and experienced, right? And this can say whatever you want, and then maybe below it I'll just say serving the community for over 25 years, or whatever your messaging is. Trusted area expert, right? So whatever that marketing message is that makes sense for you, you kind of type that in there. Then let's put a call to action. So if you type in here, you get a button. So let's just say like request a quote. So I'm going to put request a quote and then choose link. I always like to use the link here that goes to my lead form section. So I'll show you how that works in just a sec, but I'm going to save that, close it. So now I've got a really nice professional website coming along. If somebody clicks on request a quote, it comes right here to this built-in lead form that gets sent to my email. So I'll show you how that works in a minute too. So basically, there's the hero image. Now it's always nice to include some contact information so people can reach your business. So I'm just going to put in my email address, show that on the website. I'm going to put in my phone number here as well, and then save that. And then social media links. So let's add a Facebook page. So if you do have like a Facebook page for your business, you can just copy and paste that link in here. If you have LinkedIn, YouTube, anything like that, you can do the same as well. So there's my contact information. So you can see the website's coming along pretty quickly. Let's just say I want to add a new item to my menu. Just simply go over here, new menu, and then choose where that goes. So let's just say I want that to link to the about section of my website. So I'll just confirm, add it to my menu, save my menu, and now I've added a new item to my menu. I can also go over here and update my logo. So if I go over to this section, let me just grab a logo from my computer. Let's just grab a logo for Mighty Sites and upload that. And there's some pretty cool editing software in here too. So let me upload my logo. Now, as soon as I do that, this is a really easy website builder for well drilling contractors. So all I have to do is save my logo. Then I can click on these buttons that appear that make it bigger or smaller. And then I can click on this little pencil and I get all these image cropping and editing tools here too. So I can just go right in here and I'm just going to crop out the white space at the top and the bottom, I think, a little bit. So I'm going to do that, click done. And then as soon as I do that, it's going to actually, I'll just save it one more time and then see how it got rid of the white space, made my logo a little bigger. So actually, I might even make it a little smaller now. There we go. So just like that, you can see, I'm making great progress on my website. Now, let's just say I want to change the colors. Maybe I have a different logo or brand. I just click on that little paint can there and I can change it. So you can see here's a blue, here's like a reddish color. If I click through, there's like pink, there's other colors of red, there's blue, there's tons of different color palettes and new ones being added all the time. So you can just kind of pick the one that works best and you think makes the most sense for your business, just based on what your brand and your logo look like. I think I'll do one of these dark reds right now. So you can see now my website's really coming along. And if I go over to update section, I can easily edit any text. So I just said, this is how you make a website for a well drilling contractor, right? So I can just type that in right there. Contact us, contact link. Let's go over here and go to actions, and I'll just have, knowing that many people will come to my website on their phone. If they click on that now, it'll just call my business. So that's really simple and easy. I can update any of the about section or images. So if I go in here, I can go to update image and I get all the image editing tools, but I can browse my computer and upload a new image, or I can just click this search photo library. And Mighty Sites comes with a built-in photo library too, so you can just search for whatever you want. So let's just say I want a picture of water here. I could replace this picture of a hose with like a picture of maybe clean drinking water, right? Something somebody would associate with that. So let's just go with this one. This looks nice here. So now it replaces the image for me, and all of these images, I'll just save that, close it. All of these images are pre-licensed for you to use too. So you've got this access to this whole database of images that you can just use on your site just by simply searching the library. So if everything looks good, I can also just go up here to stop editing, and I can see what my website's going to look like without those update buttons, because those only are there for you as the website owner. And then if I scroll down, this is what a customer will do when they find your website. They'll come here, they can put in their name, put in their email address, their phone number, and then their message, I would like to drill a well, right? And they click send. Now that they're gonna get a little thank you message on your website, and you're going to get a email letting you know you have a new lead from your website. If I go to stop editing and go to the site dashboard, now I log into my site dashboard, I can see all of the new leads that have been generated because of my website, and I can manage them right there. I can go over here to connect a domain, and when I'm ready, and I can just paste in my domain name that I own, if you own a domain from GoDaddy or Google Domains or any of those, and then the connection needs to be based from both ends. So we'll do our part on the Mighty Site side, and then we'll give you a set of instructions to just let you know what updates you can make, or you can ask your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Bluehost or Google Domains. You can ask them to make the update for you too on their end, and then they'll make the update, we'll make the connection, and your domain will point to your new website. If you have any help, you can email or if you need help, you can email domains at mightysites.com. But once that's all set, you can go back and update your Mighty Site at any time. But again, it's only $9 a month, and there is a free trial. So click on the link below this video to give it a try and see if it makes sense and works well for your well drilling contractor business. Best of luck.